Assalamu alaikum, this is Ammar, and today our topic would be gradient of parallel lines. Let's say I have two lines that are parallel. In green we have line 1 and line 2 is in red. So if I had to make an equation of line 1, I could say this is y equal to m1 plus x plus c1, and similarly for 2 I could say it is y is equal to m2 x plus c2. So since they are parallel, imagine you climbing on a ramp that has equal slope. So it would take the same amount of effort to get up till line 1 as it would take to get up to line 2, meaning that their slopes are same. So from here we could draw a conclusion that parallel lines have same slope. I could say m1 is equivalent to m2. That is the condition that we use for parallel lines. Let's take another angle of these and see how you guys can use this concept to solve questions. There's a question in front of me. It says work out the slope of the line that is parallel to the line y equals to 2 upon 3x plus 3. This is a certain line, and there is another line that is parallel to this line. So if they are parallel, then we could use the condition of m1 is equal to m2. Since they are parallel, they'll be having equal slopes. So let's just find out the slope for this one. I know y is equivalent to mx plus c, so I could compare the values and I could see m is equivalent to 2 over 3. So the first line slope is 2 over 3, so the second line would also be having a slope of 2 over 3. So there you have it, the answer is 2 over 3. Let's take more questions. The coordinates of 4 points are this, and they are demanding you to find out the value of k if OA is parallel to BC. So let's see. If they are parallel, then I could say if OA is parallel to the line segment BC, I could say that the slope of OA would be equivalent to slope of BC because they are parallel. Now let us take out the slope for OA. So let me write down the coordinates. O is obviously the origin 0, 0, and A is 2, 3k. O will act as point 1, meaning it will yield us x1 and y1, and A would give us x2 and y2. So putting them into the formula, the formula is y2 minus y1, that is 3k minus by 0, and x2 minus x1, again a 2 minus by a 0. So coming on to the next line, that is MBC. So coordinate B is 4k, 6, and coordinate C is 10k, 7. So again putting this into the formula of BC, y2 minus y1, that would give us 7 minus 6, and similarly x2 minus x1 would be 10k minus 4k. So solving it, I get 3k over 2 over here, and 7 minus 6 is 1 upon 10k is minus 4k, that is 6k. So cross multiplying it, getting 6 over here, 6 times 3 would give me 18, and k times k would give me a k square, and 2 would be multiplied by here, giving me 2. Now the answer would be k squared is equal to 2 divided by 18. That would give me a 1. 2 ones are 2 and 2 9s are 18, so that would come in 18 k square. Again, now we have the value for k squared, but we need it for k, so the square will return to the other side, making it a root. And as you guys know, anything over 1 is 1 root or a square, it would d was with 1, whereas 9 under root is a 3, so k value is 1 over 3. I hope you guys get it. This is how you guys can find out coordinate if two lines are parallel. Thank you. I hope you guys understood it.